Hi friends, this is Satish Vasudevan. Welcome to Leadership Series number 6. Sincere thanks for your support for the previous videos. Kindly continue your valuable support. If you have not yet subscribed for my video, kindly subscribe my channel for more videos. Now, let's get into today's lesson. I was talking to so many leaders and I was talking to so many managers who are leading small teams. I asked them, what was your biggest challenge? What was your biggest challenge today? All of them, in a similar tone, they said only one biggest challenge, that is retaining people. Friends, today retaining people is the biggest challenge of this era. Because we don't just lose a person, we lose a teammate. Losing a teammate causes a lot of turbulence in the team and also cost a lot of cost to the organization also. Now friends, let's all discuss together the art and science of retaining people in this current era. You are all interested? Are you all interested to learn the art and science of retaining people in this era? Yes. So let's get into the technique. This technique is ice cream method. So what is this ice cream method? Let us understand this. The letter I stands for incubation. Friends, data says that decision of staying in an organization that was made by an employee is done within first 100 days. A person decides to continue or not to continue in an organization in the first 100 days. So the first 100 days become a very crucial for every leader to retain its employees. That's called the incubation period. In this period, how you are making him comfortable in the organization, how you are helping him to understand his job profile, how you are helping him to understand what is expected out of him, how you are helping him to get familiarized with the system, get familiarized with the people. So all those things matters, my dear friends. Small things matters during this first 100 days. It even starts from the way you welcome him and way you introduce him to the other people in the organization. So the first 100 days, the incubation period, is the most crucial period to increase the retention of people. So my dear friends, the second alphabet is C, that is career progress. Majority of people leave an organization because they don't see any promising career progress in their team or in the organization. You should make him to feel what is the career progress that is waiting for him at stake when he could improve certain parameters, and if you could able to help him to attain those skills, he will definitely make a decision to stay with us for a longer time. Now let us discuss the third alphabet, E. End of the day, my dear friends, all of us work for one important reason, that is earning. Correct? So the third letter E stands for earning potential. You should able to explain him and you should able to show him what is the earning potential that is available for him. And if you guide him to that path of earning potential and help him to earn more, believe me, my dear friends, definitely he will stay with your team and with your organization for the longer time. So the first three alphabets are the crucial in this method. ICE. Incubation period, career progress, and earning potential. Now let us discuss the second word, cream. The first alphabet, C. C stands for your contribution to him. How you are able to contribute to him, on what way you are helping him to achieve his targets, in what way you are helping him to do his job, in what way you are showing him the path, in what way you are supporting him, that really matters. Friends, you go and ask majority of people who left an organization, they say one very important word. They say that my manager or my leader does not contribute to me, does not support me. So my dear friends, see, contributing to your team member becomes utmost important to retain him. The next alphabet, R, redirect. See, as a leader, we are very good in reprimanding people. See, none of us are perfect. We do make mistakes when we go for a new task. When we try a new task, we do make mistakes. But what happens? Sometimes as a leader, we lose our cool and start reprimanding people. Sometimes people take it too personally and leave us. Instead of reprimanding, if you could redirect them, you could explain them what is the consequences of their action. Instead of saying to them how wrongly you did, say to them how correctly you can do this. That's the redirection response, my dear friends. So redirect. That becomes a crucial factor to retain people. Third, E, engage. Engage them in small things, my dear friends. Because when you engage people, they feel like they are part of you. Engage them in small decision making. Engage them in crucial meetings because they can provide ideas to you. None of us are as smart as all of us. So when you engage your team members, you yourself will get better ideas, and he feels that yes, his contribution is also valued within the team. And the next alphabet, my dear friend, is A, appreciate. The one quality every leader should learn and practice is appreciating people. Catch them doing right. Appreciate them. Friends, always remember, an action that is rewarded will be the action that is repeated. So appreciating people makes them to feel good about themselves and also make them to feel good about you. Start appreciating people. Last but not the least, my dear friends, be a mentor. The last alphabet represents that only. M represents mentoring. Be a mentor. Your teammate should feel that yes, my boss is for me, available for me during my critical times. If I go with a challenge, he is ready to mentor me. Professionally, personally, he can guide me. That confidence your teammate should have. When he has that, you will not have a subordinate, you will have a loyal teammate. So my dear friends, try this ice cream technique, which will help you to retain your teammates. So with that, I wish you all the best to retain your people. Hope this video was interesting to you. If it is interesting, kindly like this, share this and comment on the comment section. If you have not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe for more videos. Wish you all the best. See you in the next leadership video.